Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I'm going to do a viewer request. I'm going to show y'all how to use a portable jump pack to jumpstart a vehicle that has a dead battery, and I will perform this demonstration using my Schumacher jump starter on this 1996 Toyota Hiace diesel 5-speed 4-wheel drive camper, which unfortunately has a dead battery. So I have two different sizes here. I have a 1000 amp and I have a 2000 amp. You can see I've got a little USB-C charger here, because I just got done charging these. If you do have one of these, it's recommended that about once a month or so, you just top them off and just make sure that they are ready to go at all times. So I have two. I have this little 1000 ampere, which is totally fine for this teeny tiny little RV. It's a 4-cylinder diesel, so this can absolutely do the job. However, if you have like a larger diesel, maybe a V8 or a work truck or something like that, recommend the 2000 amps. So you want to sort of choose the rating or the size of your jump starter based on your engine size. Now, there can be many reasons why your vehicle isn't starting, and a dead battery is just one of those many. One way to sort of narrow down that the battery might be at fault is just quickly checking to see if other things that run off battery power are working as well. So, quick check and see if my wipers work. And they are moving extremely slowly. And, you know, do my headlights work? And if they do, are they super, super dim? Are they coming on at all? So if there are other things powered off the battery that are really not working, chances are the battery could be bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can fire this bad boy up. Wait for my glow plug light to turn off. And we have nothing at all. Now this little thing has a couple of batteries, but I was able to narrow down the engine starting battery to this one on the passenger side, which is strangely enough the left-hand side. Trusty old Panasonic battery, gotta love them. These things are known for lasting like a minimum of 8 years. I've seen them actually go as long as 10 years. But, alright, this thing's from 1996. This might be the original battery, so we have no idea how old it actually is. Now, one thing I love about these jump packs is, now it's a little hard to tell which one of these is positive and which one is negative. This little boot fell off of our positive terminal here, and we can see that these are red, but also, like, let's pretend that we have no idea which one's positive or negative. If I install my cables wrong, it will beep at me, and it will light up this little warning. Let's just start by hooking up the negative here to the positive terminal, and I'm gonna hook up the positive to the negative terminal. So we hooked it up wrong, so now, and I know it's light out so it's hard to see, but that little light flashed red and it beeped at me and it's not doing anything. So I can't possibly do this wrong even if I tried, which I just did. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and reverse the clamps. I'm gonna put the red on the positive terminal and the black on the negative terminal. And now the button that I'm gonna hit is this one right here for engine start. And because I have some room in here and this thing has a nice rugged case, no metal, so it's not gonna ground out, I'm just gonna set it right in there. All right, so now let's give it a shot. Glow plugs. Yeah! Hear that little diesel purr. Hey there! Sick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that it helped you jumpstart your car. And if you're interested in this portable power pack, the one that I'm using, the Schumacher one, I will link it in the description below. I also have a bunch of other tools and exciting things that I recommend in my Amazon storefront in the links. And while you don't have to, and I'm not forcing you to, you know, your purchases that you make with my link do support my channel, and I always do really appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.